can't believe I'm doing this again. But I'm doing another review on this vacuum because those 2 reviews weren't that good. So here's the deal. It's a Hoover Windtunnel Max Multi-Cyclonic from 2013. Well, actually, this kind is from 2015, but if you were to have like an older model of this, so the older model had like a little, the brush roll, it would say Hoover Windtunnel Max and Multi-Cyclonic. This just has it like that, which is, I don't like it. I kind of wish that it had a different head because you have to use screws. But if you were to put the old one, you didn't have to have screws. And the height adjustment doesn't even work because some of the screw things, or you screw it in, are plastic and it broke off. So I can't screw that in anymore. This is a good vacuum. Okay, so it comes with a headlight, HEPA filter, rewind, bin. It says Windtunnel Max Multi-Cyclonic. Handle, crevice tool, extension wand, telescopic extension wand, 7-level height adjustment, dusting brush, and yep. It's the model number UH70600. Okay, so I got this vacuum like 2 months ago, so like I, refurbished it, and then I finally got it. It's good vacuum. Anyways, we're gonna run that now. I'll just put the camera right there. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. I'm getting a new vacuum in like 10 days, so stay tuned for that review. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it is a Hoover. So, see you guys next video.